I've always been drawn to rivers. There's something about water that really keeps me coming back to it. The way it moves, how it's connected all throughout Earth. Rivers can be one of the most serene, tranquil places you could ever find yourself. On the flip side, they can also be one of the most violent, powerful, at times terrifying places that you could ever find yourself. Water in general is a pretty foreign place, I think, for human beings to be. When you add the element of moving water and rapids, it's just about the most dynamic place on Earth that you can ever find yourself. Kayaks have almost transformed us in a way to be able to interact with these rapids. I've been kayaking for 26 years and I love it now just as much as I did the first day I started. My name is Bryan Kirk and I'm a whitewater kayaker.